The Philippines Bureau of Customs is set to begin the auction or sale of 13 luxury cars owned by the Discayas next month. According to the agency, the vehicles lack proper documentation, making it impossible to prove that they were legally brought into the country. The agency, however, assured that the vehicles to be auctioned are safe and have undergone the proper procedures. This report from Margot Gonzalez.
The Bureau of Customs has scheduled the public auction of 13 luxury vehicles linked to the Discayas on November 15. According to Customs Assistant Commissioner Attorney Vincent Maronilla, the documents submitted by the Discayas were insufficient to prove that the luxury vehicles were legally imported into the country. This paved the way for the government to proceed with the auction of the said vehicles.
In fact, incompleteness of being sure that it was actually legally imported to the Philippines is the basis why we are forfeiting these cars and scheduling them for auction already.
According to Maronilla, the total value of the luxury cars to be auctioned ranges from 100 to 200 million pesos, and the proceeds will be allocated to the government's priority projects. The agency also assured that the luxury cars are safe and that buyers have nothing to worry about.
These cars will be sold by the Bureau of Customs. So kung bibili nyo po sila, nakakasiguro po kayo na hindi na siya hahabulin. Dadaan po sa tamang proseso since meron po naman kaming i-issue na certification sa inyo na nabili nyo po yan sa auction. So maayos nyo po magagamit yan.
Although the exact venue has yet to be confirmed, the auction may be held at a VOC facility once a suitable space is found. Maronilla added that charges may be filed against the illegal importers of the vehicles, and if it is proven that the Discayas conspired with them, they will also face the same complaints.
Makakabit mo lang naman yung mga Discaya if they're in cahoots with the importer, and therefore the principle of conspiracy will apply. Kung ano man yung kakaso mo dun sa importer, yun din ay kakaso mo sa kanila.
Meanwhile, 10 customs personnel have already submitted their response to the show cause order in connection with the smuggling of the vehicles. The agency will release the results of its investigation once a resolution has been reached. For God and beloved Philippines, this has been Margot Gonzalez, SMNA News.